Okay, today we're going to go ahead and install this RNG tail tidy and get rid of that ugly rear tail. We're going to start by removing the seat. Then we're going to go ahead and pop out these pop rivets here and remove the cowl piece. Next we're going to go ahead and remove the little cowl piece here. That's just going to take a 4mm Allen key here. Now we're going to remove the bottom parts of the cowl piece here. We're going to take both of those screws out, and we're going to take these little pop rivets out you see here. Next we're going to go ahead and remove the 5 bolts on the right and left side both. The instructions only say 4, but I think that's for an older bike. So you've got this one 4mm Allen, then you've got 1, 2, 3 pop rivets, and then 1 Allen here. Let's go ahead and take that off. The light was messing with it a little bit, so again we're going to remove 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 right here under the tail. We're going to do that from each side. All right, now we're going to do the same thing on this side. Already loosen them up a bit. Next we're going to go ahead and remove these 4 bolts you see here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1 more right here, it looks like as well. Then we're going to very carefully take off the left and right side cowl pieces, which should come right off. And we're going to need to take off these 2 bolts, which are going to have 2 on each side, and that I believe is going to be a 12mm. I'll already loosen these up a little bit, so they should be nice and easy to take off. Make sure you unplug your left and right turn signal wires as well as the light wire. I already had my left and right turn signals unplugged because I recently did the JL Designs integrated rear. And there we can see all off. You can see those 3 wires right there. Now we're going to take our bracket. I just loosely put these front screws on for now. And we're going to go and put these back in the stock mounting holes. So now we've got these just loosely in there just so everything stays in place, and we're going to drop a washer and a nut on the either side of the plates. You have to kind of get your fingers down in between the tail there. Okay, that was a huge pain. If you can see these bolts right here, it's very hard to get to the nuts inside there, so it took a lot of finagling. It took me probably the better part of 30 minutes to figure out. So now that's mounted on, we'll put everything back together. Alright, as you can see, everything is all now together. We'll go ahead and countersink the bolts for the plate on our plate and we should be good to go. Alright, we got the underplate mounted and everything else in there. Quite a pain, but so you can see here, looks much better. much cleaner. All right, let's go take her for a spin. I wanted to take you through the post installation and ride of the R&G tail teddy really quick. So just a quick view of it from all angles, because I've been asked for a couple different views of this today. So here's the install from the right hand side. You can see the bracket. I also installed the rubber grommets on the underside with the little cover piece, make sure that water doesn't get up into the little hole that gets opened up. And here you can see everything is super firm. Finally got those bolts on, real big pain. And there you can see the angle, kind of how it goes against the tire. Some people from Europe were asking if there's going to be any impact to the larger plates, and it looks like it should not be. And you can see from a distance here, looks pretty good and clean, much better than the native tail teddy. Enjoy.